the pressure line goes into here, and you want to hear that click. That's in nice and tight, and the vacuum pipe goes into there. You can adjust the pressure with this knob here, and for carpet cleaning we want around about 300 to 400 psi pressure, which you'll see on the little red section there. And as you're squeezing that trigger on the wand, adjust your pressure so you're sitting around about 300 for a thin carpet, 400 maybe for a thicker carpet. And that's just a simple adjustment. If you want to do upholstery cleaning, you can turn that down to around about 100 psi is fine for upholstery cleaning. So now we're all connected. You don't want to start the machine without that hose being connected to a wand. An open hose there can be a little bit dangerous, so just make sure that's connected. Now we're going to just switch the machine on. Oops. Plug it in, we switch the heater on, and we can switch all the other switches on to get the machine started. I'm just going to show you this little flap here. Now this machine has this extra import. So what you can do is hook up a booster pack, which means you can leave the machine downstairs and have a big long hose extending elsewhere. It gives you extra vacuum by plugging in the booster pack there. So we switch on the machine. We're going to switch them on one switch at a time. And when we finish cleaning, we simply disconnect our hoses. That's a bit tight. I know what the problem is. We've still got pressure in the line there. We won't be able to disconnect these until we release that pressure. So we just operate the trigger, give it a squirt, and now that'll undo nice and easily. Disconnect that. Undo here. There's a filter inside there which catches all the lint. There's this bit of pipe here which has a ball valve in there which stops the water going up there if you happen to fill it up a little bit too high. So that goes back in, filter in, that clips on, and we're ready to go. And unplug the machine. One other thing I must mention too is the dump valve. Now all the dirty water collects in this side of the machine, and to empty it we simply pull up on this lever and all the dirty water will flow out. You just need to put a bucket underneath it and you carry the bucket to the laundry tub, which should be not far away, or you can put it out into a garden bed. Don't, whatever you do, let that dirty water go down into a storm water drain.